Hey y'all, Bear here. Look here, I went on Fenix's website to buy myself a new E05 flashlight. It's my EDC. I've got a video about it if you want. I'll put a link in the description. But I need a new one of these. Not anything Fenix did wrong. I just lost mine. They're so small. So anyways, maybe it'll show up and I'll have two. But while I was on Fenix's site, I saw the CL09 Lantern, and I had to buy one. They've got these on there for $35, marked down from $45. I don't know if that's a temporary sale or that's just always their sales pitch is to mark down $45 to $35. But this is $35. Let's open it up. Well, let's talk about it a minute first, all right? I printed out some specs here from Fenix. All right, so run times for this lantern, if you're utilizing the rechargeable battery it comes with, and that's one thing that justifies a little bit of the cost increase over my Black Diamond, is I've got a rechargeable battery. On low, you're going to get 90 hours. On medium, 19 hours 20 minutes. High, 5 hours and 40 minutes. Turbo, 2 hours and 40 minutes. And your red is going to be 30 hours and your green 48 hours. Now that's interesting that the green light will last longer than the red. Huh. Anyways, the other side to that is you can use a CR123A, and that will increase your run time. On low, you're going to get 150 hours instead of 90. On medium, you're going to get 36 hours instead of 19 hours and 20 minutes. On high, you're going to get 19 hours instead of 5 hours and 40 minutes. And the turbo, you're going to get 6 hours of runtime on that CR123A. On your red, you're going to get 48 hours and 76 hours on the green. So it's a pretty substantial increase to go with the standard battery. It says the beam diameter is 33 feet or 10 meters. And it's impact resistant up to 1 meter. It's IP68 waterproof underwater to 2 meters and dust proof. And its size comes in as 3.09 inches this way with a diameter of 0.86 inches. It's supposed to weigh in at 1.11 ounces without the battery. So give or take what battery you put in, you're going to get that weight increase. And it includes the lantern, the battery, and an O-ring for the water seal, and a key ring to put this on. So let's get it out of the box and take a look at it. I'm pretty excited. And oh yeah, if you want to know, I'm drinking a Virgil's handcrafted black cherry soda. It is so good. So let's see what we've got in the package. Let's see, we got any tape to cut? Anything? Nope. And I ordered this straight from Fenix. One thing Fenix is warning about on their website is a lot of copies, and that's why I went ahead and ordered from their site. These here are on eBay for $20, or I can buy it straight from Fenix for $20. So why get the questionable one from Hong Kong? Although this is made in China, so the Hong Kong ones may be valid. But anyways, Fenix is warning about copies, so I ordered it straight from them. And if you want to know, let's see here, this is also made in China. Here's our, see that, our specs. So we've got the blister pack with the light and the battery. And in this little box, here we go. In this little box is our key ring and O-ring and warranty card and the how to use it instructions if you're a girl. I'm gonna put those back in the box. Wow, look at how small that guy is. And this is roughly a third of the size of my black diamond that I love so much, with basically the same capability. Although there's some things I like about my black diamond that this does not do, and vice versa. So let's see if my battery came charged. Oh yeah, it's on. There we go. So that's turbo. You see that? It's daylight out here. There's turbo. Do it in my hand so you can see. Low, medium, high, turbo, red, red flashing, green. Hold on, let's see that red flashing again. Oh, cool. Now, I didn't know it did that. But this is a magnetic base, so if you had this in your car and you could put that on your trunk lid as a little warning beacon, neat. Now this brings up one of the things that I wasn't excited about with this light, is that it's a twist through for the settings. Okay, and it works okay, but it's just a little more cumbersome than a button. The black diamond, I just hold the button down and it dims, and it's like a dimmer switch. It just dims or gets brighter till I let off. This one has the mode settings, so it goes to just the lumen that you have. Let's see here. I thought, daggone it, I'm gonna have to get the instructions out, aren't I? Alright, so it comes with, oh, there it is. There's the charging port. It's on the battery. That's cool. I was worried I was going to have to go get a charger for this thing. It comes with the rechargeable battery, and it's like your cell phone. Just plug it into the little USB deal and charge it up. My battery came with a charge already on it. Excited to figure that out. I was looking for the charging port on this thing. I was getting worried. So you got the little ring here to hang it from. One thing that's different here versus my black diamond is my black diamond is like 3/4 hooks, 2 of them, so you can slide it on something. The keychain it comes with has a little clippy though, so you could do that. You could put the keychain on here and do the same thing. But I'm stoked about this little lantern. That's going to be so small in my pack. It's going to take up no space. Well, I've rambled about this thing long enough, so we'll see you on the trail.